In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Windows 10 desktop background. First, we're going to right-click on our desktop and go down to Personalize. Under our Personalization tab, we will be selected on Background already, and we are going to make sure this is set to Picture, and then click Browse. It opens us up in our Pictures folder, which is where I have my background. You may have your background under the Downloads. And we're hit Choose Picture. We may need to change the way it fills. Close the box. And we have changed our Windows 10 desktop background. This has been a video by NephewTech.com, and I hope you've learned something.